The most important reason why someone should apply for this program is when you're trying to get a job, people always look for experience. Where do you get that experience? And the problem is, it's kind of like a vicious cycle because you can't get the experience unless you get the job. And so the wonderful thing about this apprenticeship program for the tourism industry is it gives you that experience so that after 6 months of training, you can then walk into a job in your given field.
The Diversity Apprenticeship Program will provide hands-on, on-the-job experience for people who identify as BIPOC, Black, Indigenous people of color, to work across multiple departments, such as administration, guest service, food and beverage, marketing, sales, finance, etc., in travel industry organizations.
So the great thing about this apprenticeship program is we want to make sure a certain population has access to it.
You have to be 18 or older, and you have to have a high school diploma or GED equivalent.
Got to want to work hard. You got to be passionate. You have to be collaborative.
But if you have all those three prerequisites, you are golden to apply for this program, and you really should, because it'll be a transformational experience which will ultimately give you transferable skill sets to be employed in the future. And that's a great thing for you, your family, your friends, and the community at large.
Apprentices who qualify will receive a well-rounded, on-the-job experience led by industry experts and designated mentors who guide you through two types of tracks: tourism and sports.
An apprentice, while part of this program, is going to learn from some of the best in our industry here in Columbus.
Regardless of which track they choose, whether it's the sport track or the hospitality track, will learn valuable skills that can be applied forever.
There's going to be so many different opportunities provided for you. You're going to meet so many different types of people.
Being exposed to people from different cultures, different backgrounds.
You'll get leadership training, you'll get social skill development, you'll get all these other skills that will make you an ideal candidate for future jobs to come.
And so at the end of the day, that candidate will be able, from having that full range experience, to figure out where they best want to land.
So there's absolutely no reason not to apply to this program because you're going to get a variety of experiences in a multitude of different places.
The goal of the program is to offer each apprentice a full-time position with one of their host companies upon successful completion of the program.
So the first thing you need to do is check to make sure you're eligible for the program. If you are, then you need to apply. After the application process, you're going to go through an interview process. If you successfully complete that, you're going to complete the 600-hour paid apprenticeship program.
And it's not a week or 2 weeks. We're talking about 6 months. You're getting a robust training and experience with colleagues above you, lateral to you, really immersing you in a wealth of experiences that will last you your lifetime.
But you got to be willing to jump in feet first. I mean, again, this is an industry. As long as you love it, it'll love you back and take good care of you. This is a lifetime opportunity for you.
The apprenticeship program is structured to position the apprentice for long-term professional success in a leadership position in the travel industry. Kickstart your career in tourism leadership today. Visit experiencecolumbus.com/DAP to apply.